Okay, 94, they have these similar drawings, right? The scale drawing. So A says find the length of the patio. So we could set up a proportion. We know it's 4 inches to 7 inches, and that has to be the same as 10 feet to what, right? X feet. So we get 4 times x equals 7 times 10. 4x equals 70. So x equals 70 over 4. 70 over 4, we typically don't leave that when we're talking about length, right? So let's see, it goes in, 20 would be 80, so 17, right? And the remainder is, so 4 goes into 70. Let's just do this. 4 into 70. 4 goes into 7 once. 30. 4 goes into 30. 7 times, and that's 28, and 2, bring down the 0, 20, 17 and a half. So I would say 17 and 1/2 feet would be the length of the patio. Okay, find the area of the patio so Daniel knows how much area he needs to paint. Okay, so this, then, we know the area is 17 and a half feet, right? This is B, right? Area equals 17 and a half feet times 10 feet, right? And if we multiply that, that comes out to be 175 feet squared, right? Feet times feet is feet squared. And for C, they say 1 can of paint covers 125 square. How many cans of paint will Daniel need to buy? Well, clearly 1 isn't enough, and 2 would give him 250, so he's going to have to buy 2 cans of paint. You can't buy partial cans, so he has to buy 2 cans, and he will have some leftover paint.